PS2 in the whip. Here's what we got going on. Back here. The system. Show you what's going on. So here's what we did. Got the monitor off Amazon for about 30 bucks. Ran the wire back from behind there. You can see it go up right back there. I'll clean all that up. And it runs back here. And then the power runs to the battery. Well, I ran in power sources. It's actually the same power source that runs the PS2 in the back. Then I ran the power source and the AV cables from behind there. I actually gotta fix it, that looks pretty bad. And then there's grounding from previous stuff, that's like for these lights and stuff. But ran it back through there, down through here. Obviously just like any other install. Around here, come out here, here's your negative and your positive lead. Negative's grounded to the seat back there. And then you get your positive right there. Runs these switches right here, which can power. I have also a air compressor. Throw back here. Can run phone chargers, whatever. This one runs my PS2 adapter, which has got the blue light to show it's on. Got the AV cables right there. That should be the system. The Logitech Wi-Fi remote signal. And the memory card. Nice Chevy logo on it. Looks incorporated in there. Everything fits back there really nicely. Got some games here. I keep a few with me, and I keep a CD wallet with a lot more. An extra controller in case I need it. A DVD remote for when I watch DVDs. Comes in really handy actually. So it looks really clean. Shut the back door. Hop in up here. Got this remote. Turns it on and off. A little unresponsive. There you go. Cheap, you know. Cheap remote. And then the red and white cable run to this AV. So I turn this up. Got my wireless remote. So it looks all incorporated here.
In the house with the main man, Julio G, of course on Radio Los Santos. You wanna hold me? You should've stayed the fuck out my way.
So that's that for you. So everything's cool. Works great. Thing looks good. I'm gonna go turn it off now. I'm going inside, so just get some video of that. Just all this down. You know, short games. Yeah. So it looks good. Steady pimping.